What if the solution to hunger was in your dumpster? Stardust Insights uncovered farms growing 100 times more protein than soy, using flies that eat a city's daily waste. Meanwhile, banned drugs are curing incurable trauma, and CRISPR's messy viruses just got replaced by inkjet printers. At Stardust Insights, we track the most innovative biotech startups, and today we will show you top startups to know this year. Let's kick things off with a startup that's turning trash into treasure, or more accurately, bugs into food. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, bugs. But hear me out. By 2050, we're going to need twice as much protein to feed everyone. Traditional farming, not sustainable. Plant-based stuff, still not efficient enough. Lab-grown meat, super pricey and not ready for prime time. So what's Entomal's solution? Black soldier flies. These little guys are protein-producing powerhouses. They munch on food waste and turn it into high-quality protein faster than you can say sustainable agriculture. We're talking 100 times more protein per acre than soy, using 90% less water and land than regular livestock. Here's a mind-blowing fact for you. Every 2 weeks, Malaysia wastes enough food to fill the Petronas Towers. Entomal? They're turning that trash into food, 15 tons a day. As their CCO Yanni Ching says, your next protein bar might be bug-based. But feeding the world is one thing. What if I told you the key to curing PTSD has been hidden in a party drug all along? Meet PharmAla Biotech, the only lab in North America legally pumping out medical-grade MDMA. But PharmAla's not making Molly, they're engineering it into a legit PTSD therapy that's blowing doctors' minds. MDMA was born in 1912 as a blood-clotting drug. Fast forward to the 80s and it became ecstasy, the rave staple that made strangers feel like soulmates. But here's the twist. Therapists noticed something weird. PTSD patients on MDMA could finally talk about their trauma without panic attacks. But there's a problem. Labs couldn't get pure MDMA for proper trials. That's where PharmAla comes in. They've cracked large-scale synthesis. While others make grams, this startup produces kilograms of clinical-grade MDMA monthly. Their Australian joint venture Cortexa even prints 40 milligram capsules on demand, like an espresso machine for PTSD meds. As their CEO Nicholas Kadish puts it, MDMA isn't about tripping, it's about rewriting trauma. Powerful stuff, right? But what if we could see diseases coming before they even hit? Ever wonder if the air around you is safe? This startup built a virus detector for buildings. It works like a smoke alarm, but for pandemics. The magic? CRISPR meets cloud computing. Their biochips use gene editing tech to ID pathogens in minutes, not days. Then AI maps outbreaks in real time. But at Mexico's busiest hospital, metaBIX spotted a superbug cluster 3 days before symptoms appeared. But what if we could edit genes faster than ever before? MXT Biotech just cracked genetic engineering's biggest problem. Their new technology edits genes 300 times faster than CRISPR, without a single virus. Instead of hacking cells with viruses, which can backfire catastrophically, they built a microscopic gene printer. See these liquid circuits? The hydroparator chip creates millions of oil and water droplets. Each droplet becomes a nanosyringe. When cells flow through, it injects CRISPR or CAR-T genes like a biological USB drive. No viruses, no leftovers, just clean edits. And investors are paying attention. MXTB just secured $15 million to launch human trials in 2026. And now let's talk about the brain. Gate to Brain over in Spain is tackling one of the biggest headaches in medicine, getting drugs into the brain. The biggest challenge in neurology isn't just finding new treatments, it's getting them into the brain. Most drugs can't cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning many potential treatments never reach their target. That's why Gate to Brain developed a peptide-based transport system that allows drugs to safely cross the brain's protective shield. More effective treatments for Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and brain cancer. Peptide-based shuttles safely transport drugs past the blood-brain barrier. This breakthrough could reshape neuroscience, making previously impossible treatments a reality. If you liked these startups, we have even more. Our AI-driven platform has identified 3,447 biotech startups. Want early access to the next biotech breakthroughs before everyone else? Book your free demo today. Link in the